Can distilled water be reused? Have you ever wondered if you can use distilled water more than once? In survival situations, this question is quite important. Distilled water is created by boiling regular water to produce steam, then cooling that steam back into liquid. This process removes most contaminants, minerals, and impurities, making distilled water very pure. So, can you reuse it? Yes, you can. However, there are some things to keep in mind. First, distilled water must be stored properly. Use clean, sealed containers to prevent any contamination. If distilled water is kept in unclean containers or exposed to air, it can absorb carbon dioxide or bacteria. This can lower its purity and safety. In a survival scenario, drinking distilled water is generally safe for short to medium terms. Most minerals we need come from food, not water. So, using distilled water repeatedly is okay as long as it remains uncontaminated. If you find yourself in a situation where water sources are questionable, you might want to distill water multiple times. Simple setups like solar stills or pot distillers can help you create a continuous supply of purified water. For instance, a solar still uses sunlight to evaporate water, then collects the condensed steam. This method is energy efficient and effective for survival needs. The distilled water you collect can be reused for drinking, cooking, or even cleaning wounds, provided it stays clean. It is important to have enough storage containers for your distilled water. This way, you can ensure you have enough for your daily needs. Keep in mind that while distillation is effective, it does not remove all possible contaminants. For example, some volatile organic compounds may still be present in the source water. If your source water is chemically polluted, you may need additional purification methods. To sum it up, distilled water can be reused in survival contexts if it is kept clean and stored properly. Distillation is a reliable method for purifying water when other sources are unsafe or unavailable. So, if you find yourself in a survival situation, remember that distilled water can be a safe option as long as you take care of it.